Howdy, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making the Jungle Bird. The Jungle Bird is a great classic tiki cocktail created in 1978 at the famed Aviary Bar at the Kuala Lumpur Hilton in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Now this bar featured an actual aviary where customers could view exotic birds while sipping their cocktails. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's make the drink. Now we're using fresh pineapple. Fresh pineapple juice in your cocktail shaker. Add the pineapple chunks. Take a muddler, give it a good muddle. Now, if you don't use fresh ingredients, you could always use canned pineapple juice. Use 1.5 ounces. Should be good. Now add all your ingredients in the same cocktail shaker. We're using 1.5 ounces of dark rum. ¾ ounce Campari. ½ ounce fresh lime juice. 1/3 ounce simple syrup. Sugar water, that's all it is. Add ice to your cocktail shaker. Shaker pint, give it a good shake. Okay, now into an old-fashioned glass, we're gonna add ice. Since we did fresh pineapple juice, we double strain this cocktail to avoid all the chunks. Stick your Hawthorne strainer and strain over ice. Perfect. Now for the most enjoying part, the garnish. We're gonna garnish with pineapple, cherry, and since we use fresh ingredients, we're gonna use the pineapple leaf. Well, there you have it, the Jungle Bird. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. That's a tiki drink. Now, Campari isn't a common ingredient in tiki drinks. However, this works surprisingly well in this drink. Hint of sour, hint of sweetness, and it's a little bitter at the end. Makes me want to sit at the aviary and stare at birds all day. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.